Hello, welcome back to my channel, Ask MCT Chris. In today's session, we're going to look at how to parse a JSON file using the OPENROWSET and OPENJSON Transact-SQL in SQL Server. But before we start, let's watch my intro. So I have here the JSON file that we're going to parse in our SQL Server. So we have the player, the HR, the year, and the birthday, and this JSON file is called HR leaders that is stored in my ddemo file folder. So I will now open my SQL Server and create a query. The first thing I will do is create a select statement getting all the fields, and then I'm going to call the OPENROWSET function, and I'm going to open it with bulk and then passing on the folder name where my file is located, and that would be the demo file, and that would be named hrleaders.json. And then I'm going to open this in a single club and then alias that as J for JSON. If I'm going to run this, you will see that the OPENROWSET returns a table which has one column called the bulk column. So in order for us to parse the JSON, we can now call the cross apply the OPENJSON function, passing on that field called bulk column, and close bracket. And then what we're going to do now is create the fields. We wanted to refer to the player, and that would be an varchar data type with a length of 50. I'm going to get the year, and then it's an integer, and then the birthday, which is a date. And I'm going to close bracket that, and I can alias that as player. You will notice that I did not get the HR, just to prove to you that I can only pick the certain fields that I wanted to get. And then since I have alias this with player, I need to copy the player and then prefix in the select clause the player and then get all the fields. And then when we execute that, that is now parsed as a rows and column, which we can now insert into our table in the database. And there you go. That's how you parse a JSON file using the OPENROWSET. The OPENROWSET will return a column that is named bulk column, and that is what you need to pass onto the OPENJSON function. I hope you've learned something from this session. If you did, please hit that like button and please hit that subscribe for more tips and tricks from me. Thank you for watching.